Cobra 3 E-mini NASDAQ continues its winning streak, capturing a move today plus 780. A little bit smaller move than last Friday's move and smaller than last Wednesday's move, but did well with the range that we were given. Strategy by strength, and so market pulled back during the middle of the day after a gap up and then made a run at new highs. Cobra 3 did a great job of capturing that move, plus 780 on Cobra 3 today. 2 contracts of that in some of the portfolios. So let's go over all the strategies. Good long trade setup, big gap up. Most of the gains were overnight. Night trader captured the move. Small profit target plus 675 last night on that. Then there was 60-minute breakout short. Tried to short it, reversed to the long side. So we're long right now. The open position is long from 33.3450, so the open position is up. The trade on the day is down because of the short loss, minus 150 on the day so far. And 60-minute breakout, plus 975. Another one that can catch the moves overnight. We have adaptive moving average. You know, the market didn't really, it's one of those days we talk about on bull markets where the market gaps up, and after the first 15 to 45 minutes, it kind of goes sideways to down. It's one of those days, kind of hit an overbought territory for a daily range after that. And so adaptive moving average was on the right side of the trade, but only for plus 6250. Cobra 3 ES did not trade. Tick pullback, plus 837.50. Nice entry there, holding it until about 1 minute until the close at 4:14 Eastern Standard Time. So this will hold for another 5 minutes. Those are the trades on the E-mini S&P. It's our playbook for the E-mini S&P, E-mini NASDAQ. Tick pullback, lost on the day. Nice entry. Got stopped out this low right here. And would have been nice to hang on to that trade. Big rally into the close. That low was right here at the 11,233, 150 points higher now. And tick count trending Q minus 1250 on the day. This one kind of hurt as well. Getting stopped out before the rally. The rally was a little bit delayed. Break even stop on AT 2020 NQ short. So went short, came back, got stopped out on a break even trade. And Cobra 3, we already talked about that, plus 780. Minus 325 on gap continuation 2019. And we have no trades on gap continuation 2020. And stock index swing plus 475, 60-minute breakout minus 1,025. A little bit of extra volatility in the Nasdaq, a few more stop outs, and so not quite the performance in the Nasdaq that we got in the E-mini S&P. Crude oil minus 725 on the conservative and aggressive version of Cobra Crude, and then plus 435 on gap fill and reverse. Nice entry on that reversal. Plus 435 on that strategy. Natural gas, no trades. RBOB, no trade. You should be on the November contract. Gold, we had 3 losses here, minus 725, minus 725, and minus 725, followed by another loss, minus 825, and then SR counter trend 4, plus 475. Asia Gold 4 short, plus 975. So 4 losers and 2 winners in gold. A down day overall in gold. Silver, we had plus 475 and plus 475 on SR counter trend 2 silver and SR counter trend 4 silver. And then the euro, about break even, minus 25 on Cobra Euro 4. Soybeans, no trade. Dynamic tick pullbacks, no trades. Tick fader, minus 625. Those are the trades on the day. Now we've been looking for the market to bounce all month, and it's right here. It's finally doing this at the end of the month. 11,550 is the noted resistance level that we've talked about. It's about 160 points away from that. The VIX is at 26. It didn't drop much today on this rally. S&P up 57 points. NASDAQ up 253. We have 2 trading days left in the month. So end of month rally, trying to make back some of the losses that we had early in the month. And the VIX coming back towards 25 again. I don't know how real this data is, if it's bad data, this spike right here, but coming back towards 25. Let's look at it on a larger chart, 60-minute chart, and it continues to support 25. So if we continue to trend higher, anticipate this. If nothing continues to happen, I anticipate the VIX to continue to drop. And the most contrarian thing that we could see would be for low volatility, a low volatility election. That would be the most contrarian outcome as far as volatility in the election are concerned, is for as we go into the election, as the election happens, for VIX to drop. No one expects that to happen, but that's the reason it could happen, and it would be most unusual compared to the 2016 election. So let's look at the daily charts. We talked about 11,550 area. There's resistance up here. Again, two hard days of selling on September 3rd and 4th in the NASDAQ futures. And the low is right here. The low is 11,129. Now we're 11,391. And the close on the second day of selling is up here 11,538. And you know, we're not too far from those levels. We're not too far from these levels. Another day like today will have us above these levels. It'll be interesting to see what the market will do then once it retakes this resistance level and is within a strong move to the new highs. Once again, we could get new highs in the NASDAQ. Will be the most be interesting to see that what happened if we had that NASDAQ. We've talked about all different scenarios. We've talked about NASDAQ making new highs, NASDAQ doing, if it does what it did in the dot-com bubble, it could double from here, go up to 20 to 25,000. Or we've talked about the megaphone pattern. You see this megaphone pattern more in the S&P than the NASDAQ. Could it double dip down here? Could it go higher here? We talk both sides of the market because we take long and short trades, and we have to be comfortable taking those. And we're anticipating anything is possible on the long-term outlook. We're not going to rule out a move higher. We're not going to rule out a move lower, and that helps us take long and short trades. And so it's part of our discussion. And those are the trades on the day and the market outlook as we are 2 trading days left in the month, and this is September the 28th, 2020.